Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. These are my colors this evening. Liquitex Basic Acrylics in turquoise blue mixed with Artist Loft metallic blue, metallic cobalt blue. We have Liquitex Basics in quinacridone magenta. We also have Amsterdam acrylic in ultramarine violet light mixed with Amsterdam Expert Series in Cobalt Blue Deep Ultra. Yes, got it. Wow. And this is Amsterdam Permanent Violet Red Light. So those are my colors this evening. This is a pour over. I'm not happy. Well, it wasn't really not happy with it. It does have some splitting in it. I was going to use a paintbrush, but then I ended up with a drip on it. So I'm going to be pouring over it. This is my Behr mix. I have put just a smidge of Behr-Decoart satin enamels in it. I need to water it down just a tad. It's a little bit on the thick side because I added the Behr-Decoart, I'm sure. It still feels thick. Just a little bit more. All right. Okie doke. So this is a 16 by 20 canvas. I am just gonna pour right over it and go with my colors. I did ooh. Wow. Well, at least it's liquidy. We got to make sure we have enough paint off of this though. We don't want too much paint left on. What I was going to say, as I try to finish my thought here, I did spray the back of it because it was a piece that is being poured over. I'm hoping that it doesn't bleed through. And that should be good. Okay. And I'm going to start with, what am I going to start with? I'm going to start with the turquoise. Now this seems a little thick to me. But I'm going to add just a little bit more water. I barely have room for any more water. I'm going to stir this over my trash can. Okay, I think I'll be happy I did that. And I'm going to start here. Whoops. There we go. And then purple. The magenta. And the light. I'm going to add more of this. It's sinking. All right, here we go. I hope this works out. I'm going to, oh, I see a chunk. Got it out, I think. Yep. Nope, I did not. Darn it. There we go. All right, I lost my push pin. I'm gonna bring it all the way back up this way and over here. And back up this way. back. Ooh, ooh, I like how the colors are mixing down here. I'm gonna take some of these wonky cells off here. I'm gonna need to anyways because there's way too much paint on here. And I'm gonna bring it back again. I lost all of my turquoise. Might have to add some more on. And I'm gonna put this push pin back in. Dang it. Not good. Oh, darn it. Here we go. I'm gonna put some more right here. Whoa, that was a lot. That's not what I meant to do. But let's work with it. Back and forth. And we're gonna bring it back again. We're getting cells at the bottom here. It's kind of cool. And I'm just gonna keep it going till we get enough paint off. It's gonna be a very vibrant piece. Kind of like that. Here come my peaks and valleys. Looking good. Got enough paint off there. Oh, yeah. Oh, my fountain just stopped. There. This push pin is not in very well. All right, I am going to put you in frame for a change. There we go. I have a new camera set up. I had to Gorilla Tape it. And I'm gonna let this sit for a minute or two and probably do some work on it. Ooh, wow, guys. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Wow. I like it. I wonder if I should tilt it a little bit more to have less negative space. No, leave it alone. This is really cool. This is very cool. Okay, I'm gonna put you on time lapse. I can always slow down the time lapse. I don't know if I can speed up the regular enough to make this not an hour-long video, and I don't want to make it an hour-long video. I'm gonna torch it first. Let's see what happens there. I had a huge fail this afternoon, or earlier this evening. Ooh. Okay, let me put you on time lapse. That's always fun anyways. Hey guys. Oh, I like this one. The colors are amazing. The cells are amazing. It's much better than what was underneath. I hope it dries well. I have a lot of negative space. And this is the only part that has a little bit of bling in it. That's the Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, but that was mixed with an opaque color too. So the opaques have it, that's for sure. And I love this corner here too. Look at that. Beautiful. I added a little bit of purple in here. Actually, purple created itself because I didn't have any. Well, I had a light purple. Anyhow, I'm really liking this piece. Please like, share, and subscribe, and please be safe and create. Ciao for now.